Well, it is Wednesday and I am back in the office. I was in Cape May County, New Jersey yesterday, and I was in Philadelphia on Monday. It's been a very, very good week, very so far. Had an excellent case on Monday where our client was found not guilty of a gun charge in Philadelphia. And we had a hearing for our client, a different client in Cape May County yesterday, which went very well. Came out with a blog article today regarding what to do following an accident in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And the point of that article is really for people who don't remain at the scene of the accident. Now, in that article, I detail what your legal obligations are to do following an accident, the duty to remain there and render aid if necessary, and to provide information to the other driver and law enforcement. And in the article, I also detail what to do if you have just a misstep in judgment and you leave the scene of an accident, which sometimes happen. People who leave the scene of an accident, sometimes it just happens. They just are very upset. It's a traumatic experience. They aren't always acting appropriately, and they overreact in many cases, and they run. And in that article, I detail what to do if you run from the scene of an accident and police come and they find you at your home or place of business, and how to act toward police. I talk about not giving a statement, not giving a verbal or written statement, not allowing police to consent to search your home or place of business. Remain calm. Police more than likely will say, if you don't speak to us, we're going to arrest you. Well, I hate to say it, if they're at your house asking about an accident in which you're accused of running from the accident, more than likely you're going to be arrested anyway, and anything you tell police isn't really going to make a difference because they wouldn't otherwise be there. You're simply giving them more information. So in the article, I kind of outline the laws in Pennsylvania and New Jersey with regards to the seriousness of the actual crime. It is a crime to leave the scene of an accident in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is a misdemeanor offense where it is property damage or a person is injured. I'm sorry. It is a felony offense if a person is seriously injured or a person dies and leaves the scene of an accident in Pennsylvania. It is a crime of the second degree in New Jersey if a person dies or is seriously injured as a result of what occurs in a vehicle accident in New Jersey. So it is serious. It's something that you have to take seriously. I know that in the recently in this Wildwood case, where two individuals have been charged, there's been an issue regarding the actual charges that will be coming down for these individuals. I believe that in addition to the other charges that they possibly face, which include aggravated assault by vehicle and also a death by auto and also vehicular manslaughter, I believe they will also be charged with leaving the scene of an accident, which in the grand scheme of things is probably the least serious of what they're going to be charged with. But nevertheless, it is a criminal charge that has to be outlined. Now, from a criminal standpoint, when you flee the scene of an accident, it implies consciousness of guilt, which the prosecution can use during bail arguments and also a trial to argue that because of that consciousness of guilt, because you acted in a particular way, that somehow implies that you knew what you did was wrong. And they're going to argue that at pre-trial with regards to bail when it comes down to whether or not you should be released pending trial. In New Jersey, remember, we don't have cash bail. We have cashless bail since the bail reform. In New Jersey, we have in Pennsylvania, there's a cash system, and that is based on the gravity of the offense and other factors with regards to risk of flight and also danger to the community. So same factors in Pennsylvania and New Jersey with regards to bail, but different systems. So if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you do run from an accident scene, contact an attorney. Remember, all the conversations that you have with the lawyer are confidential, unlike statements you make to police. Do not contact police on your own. You are simply giving police just more evidence in your case. If your attorney speaks on your behalf, that is not evidence. That is simply your attorney speaking on your behalf and in some ways advocating your position. It won't stop you from being arrested, but it will mitigate a situation which you could make worse by speaking to police. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gamebonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available here in one convenient format. I'm going to link in the article that I wrote on leaving the scene of an accident. It's a fantastic article. In addition, I will link the previous video that I did on the situation in Wildwood. We received a lot of questions and feedback. Thank you for that. And we provide this information because we want people to be educated about the laws in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.